Welcome to the Excel Made Easy series, a step-by-step guide for absolute beginners. Watch the full tutorial at Wi-Fi Solution 4533 on youtube.com. This is a complete beginner-friendly guide to learning Microsoft Excel. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just looking to organize your finances, track projects, or analyze data, this tutorial will take you from an absolute beginner level to a confident user. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to navigate Excel like a pro. Enter, format and manage data efficiently. Use essential formulas and functions. Sort, filter and analyze data correctly. You also learn how to create charts to visualize results. And finally, you learn how to save and share your work properly. Make sure to watch all the tutorials in this series. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so now and press on the notification button so that you'll be notified immediately when I release a new tutorial in this series. This is a detailed breakdown of what you learn in this series. In the first part of this tutorial, we will get started with Excel. You will learn what is Excel and why it is useful. You will also learn how to open the desktop version of Excel and also the online version of Excel. Finally, you will get to understand the Excel workspace, that is the ribbon, the quick access toolbar, the formula bar, the cells, columns and rows. In the second part of this tutorial, you will learn how to enter and format data in Excel. This will be achieved by learning how to type in text, numbers and dates. You also learn how to adjust column width and rows height. Then we'll move on to learn how to apply basic formatting to our worksheet by learning how to use bold, colors, borders, alignment and others. Finally, we will learn how to use autofill to save us time. In the third part of the tutorial, we will learn all about the essential formulas and functions used in Excel. This will include the basic math functions in Excel such as sum, average, minimum and maximum. We will also learn how to use the text functions such as concatenate, upper and lower case limit in Excel. Then finally, we will learn how to correct some of the common errors that you are likely to come across as you use Excel, that is the no value error and then the divide by zero error. In the fourth part, we will learn how to sort and filter data in Excel. This will be achieved by learning how to apply alphabetical and numerical sorting to our data. You also learn how to filter data to find exactly what you want. You will then learn how to use the freeze pane to keep headers visible as you scroll through your document. In the fifth part, we will learn how to create our first chart in Excel. We'll start by looking at the best chart types for beginners, for example, the bar chart, the pie chart and the line chart. You also learn how to customize colors and labels. Finally, in this part, we'll learn how to move our chart to a new sheet. In this part, we'll learn how to save and share our workbooks. We will take a look at the different file formats in Excel, the CSV, PDF and others. We will also learn some printing tips. Finally, we will learn how to share our work by email or by using OneDrive or Google Drive. In the final part, I will show you some of the top Excel shortcuts that you should know. This is my bonus tip for beginners. Start small. Practice with shopping lists or budgets. Use the tell me box in the ribbon for quick help. Then finally, don't memorize everything, just learn what you need. Stay updated. Subscribe for more Excel and VBA tutorial at Wi-Fi Solutions 4533 on youtube.com. Like this video if it helped. And comment below, what is the first thing that you use Excel for?